Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Jacqueline and in today's video I'm bringing you my Allure Beauty Box unboxing for the month of April. But before we get started, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, ring that little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. Also visit me on Instagram. And now if you want to know what I received on my April box, just keep on watching. So I finally received my Allure Beauty Box. I'm so excited about it. If you don't know about the Allure Beauty Box, it's a subscription box that you receive monthly that costs $15. Now the promise of Allure is that you will get between $50 to $90 worth in products. So that's really big for $15. And most of them, they are not really sample size. Sometimes we receive travel size stuff, which I'm not very like, yes about it. No, I'm not. In the description below, I will be leaving a link if you want to subscribe to this box. But now let's get to open it. So for this April 2019, Allure has partnered up with the influencer Carly Bible, and she's just so beautiful, so inspirational. She has a ton of subscribers. She's a huge beauty guru here on YouTube. And she has a huge presence on social media. Now the first item that I got on this box is this Anastasia liquid lipstick. And the shade that I got, it is Pure Hollywood. It's a very pretty pale nude. So definitely for my skin tone and the shade on my lips, I will need to actually line them up. But it's a pretty, it's nude with a pink undertone. Very pretty actually. I like it. And I really like the Anastasia liquid lipstick formula. It is a little bit drying, but not too drying in the point that I will be like, oh, my lips are falling. I'm excited that we got this product. This liquid lipstick retails for $20. So right there, I already pay off. Oh my gosh. Next item, I got a Natasha Denona eyeshadow. What? I cannot believe this. Okay, these retails for $27. Ooh, wow. This is a beautiful color. This is in the shade Ukabari 126K eyeshadow. Look at this beauty right here. You know, let me check really quick on my Natasha Denona big palettes and see if I can find this shade on any of them before I swatch it. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I'm back. I was able to find it. Actually, if you have the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, the shade is right here. That's the shade. So let me just swatch it for you. I don't want to ruin that other little mini eyeshadow. And here you go. Ready? Woo! That pigmentation, Natasha Denona only can do it. Honestly, it's just like so beautiful. Is this gold with a kind of like a orange or coral undertone, just so beautiful. I'm sorry my voice sounds a little bit raspy, but I am just recovering from a cold, so not good. Anyhow, continuing to what I got on this box. Next item, it is, okay, this is a Luxie brush, another brush by Luxie. Now we see Luxie, I mean, I don't have anything against the brand Luxie, don't get me wrong. It's a good brand. The brushes are good, but I see them in every single unboxing, and I have a playlist that I will put it right here of all my unboxings. That's how I started my channel, unboxing the Beautylish 2019 bag, and then from there on I just did unboxings, and then I started doing beauty videos anyhow. But I usually see Luxie brushes. I mean, brushes are great to get on these type of boxes, but I would love to see other brands too coming in. That would be fun, you know, getting into the mix. So have Luxie, have other brands, and kind of like made a mix. That would be great. Maybe some Sigma brushes or other high-end brushes. I mean, I don't think Wayne Goss would like to have his brushes on any of these, or Sonia G, but maybe, you know, some other brushes. That would be good to see. But anyhow, love Luxie brushes, and this is this brush is the 231 small taper blending brush. That's that right there, and these retails for $12. Next item is by Laura Geller, and this is a waterproof gel eyeliner pencil. Let me see right here. Oh, I like the color. It's kind of like a brown color. Ooh, has a lot of pigmentation, and it has some glitter in it actually. You have to be very careful with it because it actually is very, very creamy. But there you go, that is the shade. So I really like so far the box because everything is so cohesive that you can get a really nice, you know, natural look with a little bit of a glow. I'm really enjoying it. Now, this eyeliner costs $22 regular price. Next item that we got on this box is the BOXYCHARM Farewell and Freeze Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protecting Cream. Oh, I love this. Now, this is a travel size, but I like this because it will help me to, you know, this actually will help to protect my hair and actually help with the frizz, which I have a lot of frizz. It's getting a little bit crazy in my hair here, as you can tell, and I love BOXYCHARM brand. Now, these retails $24. I assume the $24 will be for a full size, but not for this travel size. So, the price right there, I don't know, because again, this is a tiny size. This is 0.75 fluid ounces or 22 mLs. Next item in the box, we got this Vita Liberata Advanced Organics Phenomenal. And it is an organic tan infused cloth. Oh, so it's a tanning product for face and body. And it also states that it will work for up to 10 days for one application. So I like that. I had heard great things about Vita Liberata. I think there's a blurring cream that it seems to work really, really good. If you have a little bit of cellulite right there, it kind of like, you know, diminish imperfections. For $25, you get 8 packets of these. This will be about $6.25 for 2 of them. So this is again another kind of like sample item. Same thing with the BOXYCHARM. This beauty box, all the items are contained in this type of pouch, clear pouch. I honestly don't like them much because they tend to open on the side. I mean, it could serve maybe for one-time travel thing, but do not stuff a lot of things in here because it will start opening on the side. The items that we got full size is obviously the Natasha Denona eyeshadow, which I'm really happy about. I'm gonna save it, give it away, I don't know, but I have it already on my Sunset palette. Another full-size item is the liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills, obviously the brush by Luxie, and this Laura Geller eyeliner. So we have 4 items full size and 2 items that they are basically kind of like a travel size or mini kind of sample thing. So the value of my box is about $75. This counts the 2 Liberata products. Doesn't count the mini BOXYCHARM. I mean, if I give to that maybe $5, about $80 is the value of this Allure box. I really like my Allure boxes. The price is quite right at $15, and they usually collaborate with good influencers that actually give us really nice quality products. Anyhow, my friends, this is a wrap up. Now, if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you're subscribed to Allure's box or other boxes that you really like and enjoy. Comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Come on! Subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here more often. And thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.